Hello and welcome to Irunbelle. My name is Tope, and in this video I'll be showing real quick how I keep my hair soft and manageable to style. In other words, how I keep my hair moisturized. So this is a question that I get asked quite often. People often ask how they can keep their hair soft, how to moisturize their hair. And a few months back, someone here on YouTube, her name is Jackie. So Jackie, this video is for you and the many others that can benefit from it. So Jackie asked, I'm just looking at my screen there. She said, thanks for the video, Stockware. Please show us how you keep your hair soft and manageable to style on a daily basis. So Jackie, I don't style my hair on a daily basis, and I also do not recommend that you do so, because styling your hair on a daily basis means that you're manipulating your hair quite often, more than necessary actually. So it would be nice for you to space out your hairstyle, space out how often you style your hair. In any case, let me just jump right into the video. Here in my spray bottle, which is like a natural hair girl's best friend, I've got some warm water. I'll also be using my leave-in conditioner from Shea Moisture and some oil. Ignore this bottle, it's not necessarily the same thing inside. So the first thing you want to do is to work in sections. I'm going to be sectioning my hair into 6, 3 on this side and 3 on this side. So here I have the first section, and I'm just going to spray that with some water. So I actually intend to style my hair tomorrow, and even if I wasn't styling my hair tomorrow, today is the day that my hair is sort of due to be moisturized, just so that I have it soft throughout my natural hair cycle and throughout the entire period. So what I recommend is, don't wait for your hair to get dry. Just always make sure that you're moisturizing from time to time, and that's how you really have your hair soft and manageable. You would know that your hair is moisturized when it feels soft, when it feels, just nicely moisturized. I'm just trying to detangle my hair with my fingers now. So what I'm doing now is just trying to make sure that the water gets in through like every strand, work that through my hair strands. At the same time, I'm also trying to detangle my hair. So you can see some shed hair here coming out. Oopsie. This is my hair with just water. I've already put in water here, and this is my hair without anything. This is just my hair from before. After that, I go in with my leave-in conditioner. Work that in through. Focus on my ends. Don't neglect your edges as well. Try and make sure that your leave-in conditioner, your leave-in cream gets there. So this is how I do mine. Just make sure my edges to get some good loving. And then apply some oil. Focusing on my ends again. Making sure that my ends are covered with the product. My edges. Making sure they get some good love as well. As soon as I'm done with that section, I'll just twist it up. And when I want to style my hair to film or to go out or whatever, I'll just pick up from this twist, undo, and my hair is already moisturized. Good for me to sort of manipulate to create the hairstyle. And yeah. I'm on the last section. I just wanted to also add that don't ignore the middle of your hair. What some people do when they want to moisturize their hair, that they just keep doing this without focusing on the middle. So try and make sure that you get the products through. So behind with my fingers, I'm sort of making sure it goes through to touch every strand, which is also a way of finger detangling my hair. And then again for my ends, make sure they get enough products. Going in with my oil again, my ends, good loving, and then I go up and then just make sure it gets to every section. From the roots to the middle to the ends. Working the product with your hands like so. And then now that I'm done, I'm just going to twist that part up. Then I go in with my oil on my scalp, on the parts, at least wherever I parted. For my edges, I use Jamaican black castor oil, but this is not necessary. It's just something I do when I notice that my edges were thinning, and it's really helped. So just apply that like that. Really hear that my edges are thin, and I like to focus on that area, and then massage my edges for a bit, like that area. This is what my hair is looking like. You can see it's definitely softer. So